Hello friends, today we are going to see how we can configure a new working directory in Jupyter. So we definitely have came across where we are working on our current directory and we want to actually create a new working directory or new working path where we can actually work on some different exercises, some different problems. So today I will show you how you can achieve it. So here I will just first show you what is the current working directory is being used in Jupyter. So you have seen the previous video, so where I have shown you how you can verify. So using os get cwd current working directory. So if you print you can find out. So now we will go to the command prompt. So in that command prompt you have to type this particular uh, command to generate the configuration file. So in my case already this configuration was generated, that is why you're getting this override option. So I'll just override it. So once you override this, it will actually generate one configuration file. Like in your case, first time when you're doing, it will not ask you to override. So I'll go to that Jupyter path. So in that Jupyter path you can see it has generated one configuration file. So we have to open this configuration file. So I will open this in Visual Studio. You can even open in Notepad also. So once this file gets open, so here we have to search a notebook directory. So I'll just click on Control F. So here I will do a search notebook underscore directory dir. So which will actually go to that particular line. So I'll go to that particular line and I'll show you. So here you can see this is actually commented. So here you have to basically mention your a new working directory that you wants to use. So in my case I want to use this particular directory. So what I will do is I'll just copy paste and I'll put under the double quote. So when you have a backslash you can keep under the double quote and you can actually remove the comment, the hash initial that you need to remove. You save this. After saving this you have to reopen the Jupyter notebook. So I'll just close this. I'll go to Anaconda and I will launch it again. So once I launch this, it will open with a new working directory. So in my case already there was some file available, so that is why you can see the file it will show. In maybe first time when you're doing it will not show the file. So here I will show you once again. I will verify what is this path now. So you have seen before it was drive. Now you can see it is being changed. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching this video.